This right here is the Infinix Smart 10, and what do you get in the box? Let's find out. So on this side, you get the volume rockers and a power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint reader, a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack, and a speaker. On this device, you get a dual speaker setup. So there's another speaker right here. So this is the dual speaker setup. And as you can see, 2 cameras on the back with a flash. This looks very nice. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the design on this device? Now, what else do we get in the box? A charging adapter, 10 watt I guess, a USB Type-C cable, so Type-C to USB-A cable, SIM ejection tool, and a free case. And this is everything you get in the box of the Infinix Smart 10. This time around, no earphones was included in the box, so you would have to purchase just in case you need one. Now moving on to how to set it up as a new user. So this is the welcome screen. You select your preferred language. You are going to go with English, United States. You tap on next. Now you select your country or region. So Ghana. And you tap on next. The next step is to insert your SIM. There's an option to also skip if you want to. Skip. So you need to make sure you agree. You tap here. You select I have read and agreed to the above terms, and you select done. Now you get 3 unlocking options, so you can use a password, face unlock, and fingerprint. You can skip this and set it up later if you want to. Once you tap on skip, it's going to take you to the Google service page, and you scroll down and you select accept. So Infinix included some AI features here, and let's check it out. So you head over to settings, then you go to Infinix AI. So the first one here is Folax voice, document assistant, and writing assistant. But to enable Folax voice, you need to select that. Then you want to change the default voice assistant from Google Go to Folax. You tap on done, and that's it. There are different ways you can wake this Folax voice up, but you can just long press for 5 seconds, and this is going to wake it up. Now you can ask it questions like, so let's say, what is today's weather going to be like?
Accra is fair today. The high is forecast as 30 degrees Celsius and the low as 25 degrees Celsius.
So you can ask, let's say if a device uses 18 watt fast charging, am I supposed to charge the device with exactly 18 watts, or I can use a higher wattage?
Using higher wattage chargers for 18 watts fast charging devices, it is generally safe to use a higher wattage charger.
So as you can see, it's going to give you an answer and explain to you as well.
Regulates the power.
And there's a whole lot of features to try out on this device. So if you have any questions concerning the Infinix Smart 10, please let me know down in the comment section. What do you think about the design? Well, let me know down in the comment section. Stay safe.